Many dream of building a global career, but are unsure of what to pursue, where to start. Are you one of them? Then let me introduce you to EA, or Enroll Agent USA, one of the world's fastest growing professional courses in the world of taxation. The EA is a prestigious credential directly awarded by the IRS, which is the Internal Revenue Service of the United States. EA is a government license that officially allows you to represent taxpayers before the US Tax Department. And you know what the best part is? The journey to become an EA is surprisingly very short and straightforward. Yes, it takes just 8 to 12 months, and you only need to clear just 3 papers, which are individual taxation, business taxation, and representation practices and procedures. Each part is a computer-based test administered by Prometric, and you can take it at any exam center in India or around the world. The exam is objective with 100 multiple choice questions per paper. The total score ranges from 40 to 130, with 105 representing a passing grade. What makes it more flexible is that you can attempt each paper in any order and retake them if necessary. Once you clear these papers, you get enrolled as an EA and your career opportunities open globally. Some of the exciting roles you can work on as an EA are tax consultant, tax preparer, IRS representative, corporate tax advisor, estate and trust tax specialist, audits and appeals tax advisor, independent practitioner, and many more. Without a second thought, we can say that EA is one of the most versatile roles in the finance world. Believe me, EAs are in high demand and with the highest paying job. In terms of eligibility, if you have completed your +2 with any stream, are 18 years or older, and have a passport, you are now eligible to begin your dream career. What truly distinguishes EA qualification is its global recognition. Your credential is valid and respected wherever you go. An entry-level EA can expect to earn between $50,000 and $70,000 per year. Senior-level EAs, or those who own their own firm, can earn more than $120,000. Your earning potential only grows with experience and knowledge. Sounds exciting, right? To make your dream a reality, you must be determined and receive proper guidance, and we assure you of that. So if you want a career that is internationally recognized, professionally rewarding, and attainable in a year, Enrolled Agent USA is the best option.